mount for the oil. It's an oil pressure switch, and that's an oil pressure sending unit. It's going to go into the dashboard, so I'll go into the motor. So I'm going to build a block. I'll use a block of aluminium piece I've got here. I'll cut this up now, and I will make up, that'll thread into one edge of the block. I'll have these two mounted onto it like that. So that will mount down like that, and then I'll start machining the rest of it now. So that surface there will be the hose oil entry point, so I'll be drilling and tapping that there. So in the middle of that I need to have, I'll get a straight line here, and then the two units will fit like that, there, and it'll be bolted to the inner guard. That'll hold that there, and I'll remove what I don't want here. There it is with its fittings in, hoses into that end, the original BMW switch is there. That's the switch that's going to feed the Motec and the dashboard. I machined it on a splay so it fits the inner guard angle. There's two bolts that'll come through from the inner guard to hold it. And what I'll do next is I'll machine sort of probably that much there off it now, cut it or machine it, whatever, to get rid of a bit of weight and just make it look a bit nicer. There is a mount block now installed, bolted in, and with the units on it, just got to have the wiring brought down to it. But yeah, nice and neat and out of the way. I'm setting up the mount blocks for this is for the Motec and for all the interior fitments and so on which require powering. So this is a piece of aluminium, and going to set these up in here. They'll be there like that, and these will be here, and this will be folded and fitted into the dashboard. panel. That's the back of the panel, the folding and everything you saw doing. And there's the relays will go into here. They'll be labelled across the top. This block is already wired in. That was wired in very nicely by the company that did the Motec installation. And these will go into relays that we're fitting off, which is going to be running different systems in the car.